Hello everyone. As you know, the February is the Cancer Awareness Month, and every year on the 4th of February we celebrate it as the World Cancer Day. On this occasion, I will like to give you some information regarding to the cancer. Cancer is the second most reason for the death all across the world. That's why you can imagine that what is the magnitude of this problem. As there is a general perception that nowadays cancer incidence is rising. Yes, this is true. One of the reasons for this is that our life expectancy has increased over the past decades. The cancer is an age-related disease, means that more the chances of survival, more the age is, that there is a more chances of getting cancer. Other reason is that the general awareness among the people have increased. That's why they are taking advice of the doctor and they are seeking a medical treatment. So they are getting reported incidence of cancer. And due to advancement in medical technology also, that we are detecting more number of cases. And change in environmental conditions are also contributing to the cancer incidence. So overall perspective is true that cancer incidence are increasing every year. Now thing is, what are the common cancer across the world and in our country? When it comes to men, the lung cancer, prostate cancer, oral cancer are the common cancer. In female, the breast cancer is a common cancer. In our country, cervical cancer and cancer related to female genital organs are also common. What are the most important etiological factor for the cancer? As you know that in our country, oral cancer is common, which is related to tobacco chewing. And the lung cancer is common across the world, which is directly related to the smoking of cigarette. Other factors contributing to the cancer are family history of cancer, genetic factor, unhealthy diet, unhealthy lifestyle, lack of exercise, etc. Nowadays, the pollution is also a contributing factor for few of the cancers, which is directly related to the incidence of the cancer. The interesting thing is that in 30 to 40% of the cases, we can prevent the cancer if you avoid the risk factor. Like that, tobacco chewing is a risk factor for the oral cancer, which is the commonest cancer in our country. If we stop tobacco chewing, we can avoid the risk of oral cancer. And similarly, for the lung cancer, if we stop smoking, then we can decrease the incidence of lung cancer. And if we adopt a healthy lifestyle, that taking a lot of fruits, vegetables in our diet, doing a daily exercise, and getting a routine checkup, we can decrease the incidence of cancer in our population. The question comes that early detection or a screening helps to decrease the risk of the cancer. Yes, there is definitely role of early detection, and there is a role of screening also in the asymptomatic population to decrease the incidence of the cancer and cancer related death. Because we know in early stage the cancer can be cured, and it is applicable to all type of cancer. What are the common symptoms related to cancer? There are the common symptoms which are common to all cancer, and there are symptoms which are specific to the cancer. The common symptoms are like loss of appetite, loss of weight, generalized malaise, fever, bony pain. These are common symptoms which are related to every cancer. And there are specific symptoms which are related to other cancer like hemoptysis in lung cancer, ulcer in oral cancer, and palpable lump and swelling in the breast in case of breast cancer, and abnormal discharge in case of genital cancer in women. There is a role of proper staging and evaluation in case of cancer, because cancer, if detected in early stage, it can be cured, and the treatment modalities are different for different stage of cancer. So whenever we feel that someone is having a symptom, we should not hesitate in consulting our doctors, so that we can start the treatment as early as possible. There are different type of treatment modalities in treating the cancer, like a surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, and nowadays the targeted therapy and immunotherapy are the new modalities for treating the cancer. The treatment, as I earlier mentioned, depends upon the stage of the disease. And there is a myth that biopsy and surgery can lead to the spread of the cancer. This is not true. This biopsy is very important for starting any treatment. If any cancer which is in the early stage should be treated with the surgery also, which is the main modality in most of the solid tumors. Thank you. Hope you will feel this information relevant to the awareness of the cancer among the general population.